Hi everyone, Suni from Garden World. Welcome to another episode of harvesting video. This is the sweet potato vine. As you can see here, it grew nicely, but not sure what's going on inside that bag. I started this from the store-bought sweet potato that was sitting in my kitchen that sprouted some slips. Instead of throwing it away, I thought why not experiment growing. So I planted few slips in this rice bag and few in the bed. First time tried growing this, so not sure what's inside the bag. So come, let's check it out. Let me cut all this foliage and take the bag and see what's in there. So far I don't see any sweet potatoes. Maybe we got just the leaves. Let's see. Hey, hold on, I see something here. Oh my, I think I see one sweet potato. Oh, it's so big. I got one big, huge potato. Look at this. Wow. So cool. Here is one more big one. This got opened as well. Maybe I waited too long to harvest. There is one more small one. I think that's it. That's it, guys. We got 3 potatoes from this bag. Let's see in this bed. I see some potatoes here. This is my avocado plant that grew from the seed, and some sugarcane plants. I cleaned up all the foliage. So let's see. I see one sweet potato here. One more. Oh, it's like a treasure hunt, guys. I have to keep looking. I think I see a few more here. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. I'm seeing some more here. Let's see. I hope these are, yes, sweet potatoes. Some tiny ones. Maybe these are still forming. So far I collected these. I see some more treasure here. Let's see. I hope we have some potatoes here. I don't want to break them, so just trying to. Oh, we got a big one. Wow. One more. Nice. Look at the color, guys. Isn't it so vibrant? Nice. I got some big ones and tiny ones. Maybe that's it. And I planted ginger as well, the same from store-bought ginger. I put it here little bit, a small piece, and that sprouted and grew into around maybe 10 plants. I'm just harvesting couple of those and I'll leave the remaining. Oh, it smells so fresh and gingery. I really wish you can smell this. It's so good, the ginger smell. I love it. Harvest guys for today. Zero investment. Tried growing from store-bought sweet potato and ginger, and super thankful with the bounty. I'm going to share some with my neighbors and use some. So I'm not curing them. I washed it. Look at this. How beautiful and fresh it's looking. For better shelf life, we are not supposed to wash. We have to leave it to cure, then wipe off the excess dirt. Since I'm using it right away, I washed and I'm going to use this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video.